Our lips, they tasted like those cigarettes. Staring at the moon, we'd go to bed.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Horror Elsa here. I hope you guys like this makeup look. I am so stoked with the way it turned out. So Casey Taylor FX on Instagram, my dear friend, asked me if I wanted to be a part of a Disney Halloween collaboration with her and a whole bunch of other special effects makeup artists, and they were girls that I've been following for years, and I so love doing collaborations because I don't really do that many apart from giveaways. So yeah, that's what inspired me to do this Disney Frozen princess. So first I'm going to show you the Glam normal Frozen character and how to do her makeup, and then I'm going to show you how to do this horror gore makeup. I think it is a pretty cool twisted Disney look, and I don't think I've ever done a Disney character look ever before, so there's a first for everything. If you guys take any inspiration from this look, then I would love to see your looks on Instagram. Also, if you do create any of my other Halloween looks, then please tag me. I will be sure to share them over Halloween as I do every year. I'm so grateful and appreciative that people get inspired by my looks and tag me. It just means so much to me, and it makes me realize why I love what I do even more. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So what you want to do first is tie your hair up in a plait. This works best, of course, if you have blonde hair, and if you don't, then maybe put on a wig. I do have a white wig, but I wanted to do it with my own hair. I don't know, I think I mastered it. I like looked at a photo of her and just got like a little piece here and then like this big cowlick thing and a big plait. So we did well. I just don't have snowflakes to add into the hair. So by the way, I've already put on foundation and bronzer, powder and concealer. I haven't made it like full coverage though. But like I'm not focusing too much on this area here because I do know that that's just going to be covered anyway. So I am transforming into Good Elsa. So she's got a lot of blush on, so I'm going to take some blush. I'm just taking the MAC blush. What is this? Peony Petal. So her blush placement is like here, and it goes like out like that. I normally put mine up. So ooh, we're gonna look like a Disney princess, alright? By the way, I'm obsessed with my hair color. I just got it done from a stylist called Mel Delvery, and she owns MKD's salon in Tauranga, and I just went to see her and I'm so like happy with my hair. It's so cool. Like you can't see it properly like this, but it's got like baby light and my regrowth is there, and she's like faded it into the hair and she's like lightened all my ends. I mean, this is extensions as well, but she's lightened my ends and looks so good. So she does have prominent brows. Her brows are like similar to my color. Here I am talking about a cartoon character, but I'm just looking at a photo of her. She's got really light blue eyes too, so thank goodness that I just got sent some eye contacts from Solidica. Just put in some brows so you actually have some eyebrows. By the way, this top, this worked perfectly. I was like, oh my god, I actually feel like I'm in a costume. So this is the Pia Grams top. I had featured it here on Instagram and it looks really cool, but so what I did was the puffiness in these sleeves, to keep them nice and puffy, I just pulled it out of the sleeve and like folded it on top of itself. So it literally looks like the Princess Frozen dress. So looking at this here, we're going to take the Charles X Morphe palette, which is discontinued now. I really need some more eyeshadow palettes that are colourful. But I'm just going to take this purple, it's like a dark purple. I'm going to take this darker purple here and this purple here, kind of mix them together. You just want to take a small brush and zoom you in. This is just easy. Like you just want to like tap this on your lid. Then it's going into pink, so I'm going to take a little bit of this pink here. This doesn't have to be like perfect or anything. She's also got like black. Oh my god, she's got great makeup. Things you notice when you actually do a character's makeup. So I'm going to smudge the pink under here and blend it out. Oh god. Okay, there we go. But anyway, we're going to take some black and kind of put this on the outer corner. So now I'm using the Thin Lizzy Duo Eye Pencil in black, and you just want to line the waterline. Then I'm just taking a liquid liner, so I'm taking the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof eyeliner, and I am just putting this over my eye. Oh my gosh, the purple really makes my blue eyes stand out. Maybe because it's like on the opposite of the colour wheel. It looks like Elsa's got no bottom lashes, so we're just going to coat the top lashes. Okay, so because it looks like she's got more fuller lashes on the outer corner, I'm going to take some ones that just go on the outer edge. So this is the Wolfie lashes in the style Lyric. So this is a New Zealand company owned by someone called Jade, and she's really awesome to reach out to me and sent me these lashes, and I've been obsessed. So I actually cut them in half and they're quite fluffy. Oh, Elsa, you got some lashes, girl. We are doing the lips. So I'm taking the Chi Chi lip liner in Lady in Red. I know she's got like a hot pink. I've got like the perfect lipstick for this. She's got really thin lips though, so I'm not gonna overline my lips. This must be discontinued, but just find any like hot pink, like muted hot pink shade. This is the Lasting Color Collection lipstick in number 8, Sweet Tart. I absolutely love this color. This is so perfect, and I do use this for blush as well. I like dab it, and I might actually do that now. So as you can see, I actually use this for blush all the time. I really like this. Oh my god, I actually do feel like a Disney princess now with the hair and the plait and the blush. The lipstick is much lighter than I thought, so I'm gonna go over that with the red lip liner. That's better. Okay, so to make my eyes even bluer, I'm gonna take the Solidica Aquarella Beauty Contact Lenses, and these are in Aurora Blue. I think that's how you say it. So these look really cool because Elsa has really blue eyes. Like my eyes are blue, but hers are like next level blue, and these will just make it look even bluer. So I'm gonna put these in. Solidica have so many different contact lenses for Halloween and also for normal wear, and they are some of the most natural looking contact lenses in the world, so check out their website. So yeah, that was really nice of them. I got a whole bag full sent from them, and I also got like $800 worth of contact lenses sent to me like a few months ago from them, so they are so amazing. Okay, before I put the second one in, I just want to show you what this one looks like. Oh my god, so much bluer than this eye. So this is the Glam Elsa look. I really like it, and I'm taking the MAC eye kohl pencil in Fascinating, which is the white one. You want to take a white because this will map out where you want to draw. I've just been inspired by this person, Fancy Fluty. They did like this mouth, so I am copying their mouth. That is a username. So that's where the mouth's gonna go. You just want to do a rough design, and now you're going to draw in the teeth. So these are gonna be like skull teeth. Oh my god, I have to remove my lipstick. Okay, so now I'm taking that James Charles and Morphe palette again, and I'm taking this red here. As you can tell, it's well loved. I use it quite a lot for creative looks, obviously. So we want a bit of red and the black mixed together, and then I'm just gonna like, oh shite, okay. Don't get too much black, that was a mistake. Get mostly red, a little bit of black. You want it to fill in the bit all around the teeth.
I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. can't see in front of me. My enemies have tried every possibility.
Then what you want to do is take a black eyeliner. So this is the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof eyeliner. I can't find my other good ones. You just want to trace where that skin was.
'Cause I can fly. I can fly. I can fly. I can fly.
Okay, so now what I'm going to do is take some black eyeshadow and a little bit of red, and then I'm just like smudging this up around here. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit more red again and just tap that in and add a little bit of black. Like, make the red go lighter at the gum. And then make it go slightly darker as you come down here. Just tap a little bit of black. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the black and I'm going to just blend this into the teeth a little. So now we're taking the yellow, another frequently used colour from this palette. I still need to buy more palettes like this. And we're going to add some yellow to the teeth. Just like a streak per tooth. This brush is good. This is the Sigma Eyeliner EO5 brush. So I'm using these browns here, just mixing them together, and then I am adding it to the skin. This will just add more dimension. Now I'm going to add tears coming down the eyes. Just for dramatic effect. Okay, so now I'm taking the Bennye Thick Blood. Of course, this is the start of the show. And it's good because this will just add more like redness. I'm taking the Subzero contact lenses by bodyFX. Okay, so I've put that one in. I feel like I need to add something up here. So here's the finished makeup look. I hope you guys like it. I am obsessed. I actually really like the way that this one turned out. If you guys take any inspiration from this look, then I would love to see your looks on Instagram. Also, if you do create any of my other Halloween looks, then please tag me. I will be sure to share them over Halloween, as I do every year. But anyway, this was such a fun collab. I want to thank Casey for inviting me in on the Halloween Disney collaboration video with her and a whole bunch of other talented makeup artists that I've been following for years. That's what inspired me to do a horror Elsa look. Anyway, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I upload every Monday at 3 AM New Zealand time and YouTube shorts every day. I hope you guys have a great week and I'll see you in my next week's video. Bye.